Hello everyone! If you are tired of your coffee getting cold too fast, you might be looking for the best temperature control smart mug to keep every sip just right. Welcome back to Tech Product, where we explore smart gadgets that upgrade your daily routine. Today's product brings comfort and technology together. Let's get started. Let me introduce the KEPWAM Temperature Control Smart Mug. This mug is designed to keep your favorite drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether you enjoy coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, this smart mug helps you enjoy it exactly the way you like it. The KEPWAM Temperature Control Smart Mug comes with 3 temperature settings. You can choose warm, hot, or piping. This gives you control based on your personal preference. Some people like their coffee gently warm, while others prefer it extra hot. With just a simple adjustment, you can set the temperature that feels right for you. It also features a sliding lid. This small detail makes a big difference. The lid helps keep the heat inside the mug for a longer time. It also prevents accidental spills, which is especially useful if you are moving around your home or working at your desk. It adds both safety and convenience. Battery life is another strong point. On a full charge, the mug can maintain a temperature of 113 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 3 hours. If you keep the lid on, it can last up to 6 hours. That means your drink stays warm through meetings, reading time, or relaxing evenings. And if you place the mug on its charging coaster, it can keep your drink warm continuously, so your beverage is always ready when you are. Using the mug is simple. It has a one-button control system that allows you to switch between temperature settings easily. There is no need for a separate app. The built-in smart display clearly shows the current temperature and battery level. You always know how hot your drink is and how much power is left. The design also feels premium. The body is made from stainless steel and finished with an elegant ceramic matte coating. It looks modern and stylish on any desk or table. The double-wall vacuum insulation helps maintain heat efficiently while keeping the outside comfortable to hold. The ergonomic handle is designed for a secure and comfortable grip. With a 16-ounce capacity, it holds a generous amount of your favorite drink. It is made with BPA-free materials, which means it is safe and durable for daily use. Beyond its features, the KEPWAM Temperature Control Smart Mug also makes a thoughtful gift. It combines technology, comfort, and style in one practical item. Giving someone a mug that keeps their drink perfectly warm shows care in a simple but meaningful way. Warm drinks, perfect temperature, every time. If you want to upgrade your coffee or tea experience, this smart mug is worth checking out. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart gadgets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.